us a huge thumbs up. We're doing crystals! Yeah, we're doing crystals. That's one of my favorite things. Because you know what? We're going to make them at home. And what you need to do is you make them and you'll find out, guys. Let's get started. Pipe cleaner. Axe. Clean water. This one, and I'm going to have a black one. And then most brown. This is my flower. I'm going to add the borax. That's the mix. We're fixing this. Now we're going to dunk our flowers. Boom, it's done. We're going to leave them on here for 24 hours. We're going to make a big crystal. This is what you need to do. We're going to put this now. Borax. Give it a good stir. I'm going to add the coloring on your door. To set for 24 hours. Sure if this one's gonna work. For 24 hours. Bye-bye, guys! We're gonna check the crystals. I'm happy. A fly fell in. Auntie, hold it. And then, well, it crystallized, and now we have a fly crystal. Crystal. All of those crystals outside. It's still. See how it's crystallized? Even that bit crystallized. Look, that one crystallized too. That bit crystallized. It doesn't need drying. It is so wet. I'm gonna take this. The last one. And now I'm gonna take it out. And take the baby. It's my baby I found. Thank you for watching. For this video, give us lots of views and click that 5 button and turn notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up. See you guys.